Hi, I'm Kelly. I am 44 and from Australia. I had breast uplift and augmentation with old plants taken out, 360 liposuction and half tummy tuck and labiaplasty. My breasts were 19 years old, so they had crystallized and gone hard. So I had wanted it for a while, but just life got in the way, didn't get around to doing it. And then 2 children, so I also had like that stubborn tummy fat. I did the usual, the gym, changing the diet, etc. But when you're nearly 10 foot tall, it just doesn't budge. So I went the quick route and opted for MCAN. I told everybody I was coming here and everybody was petrified for me because nobody knew anything about surgeries in Turkey. I was actually at my hairdresser's getting my hair done. I was telling her that I wanted to look at some pricing of my new breasts in Thailand, and she's like, have you thought about Turkey? And then she actually brought up MCAN on her phone because another one of her clients had been liaising with someone here, and I googled them and sent off my inquiries. This is what we can do, this will be the price, give us a call if you have any questions. She wasn't pushy and just made me feel at home straight away. Everything was professional. Just do it. Just ask the question. Do some research. Follow them on Instagram. Follow them on Facebook. Look at what other people are doing, seeing how relaxed and looked after they all are. You'll be fine. MCAN, number 1. 100%.